Hello once again to my channel. Now in this tutorial I'm going to show beginners how they can design a simple 3D bolt nut and washer, as you can see here on the screen. So I will guide you through on how to do it. So I will switch to a new page and start the design so you can follow on how this was created. Okay, so here is a new page, and first I will have to start with the bolt. So I'm going to draw the hexagonal head of the bolt first. Before I do that, come to the coordinate panel and click on this and choose top. Right. So come over to the draw panel now and click on the circle command. This time choose center diameter, then draw a circle of diameter 17. Okay, so I'm now going to draw a hexagon, and the hexagon is 6-sided polygon. So come to draw panel again and click on polygon, enter 6 as number of sides, then locate the center of this circle, click inscribed in circle, and terminate this at the quadrant point of this very circle. Okay, so I'm now going to extrude this hexagon down to a distance of 8. So come to the modeling panel, click on extrude, click on this arrow and choose extrude, and extrude this hexagon, enter, down to a distance of 8. Okay, I'm going to switch to 3D wireframe to be able to see the construction lines clearly. Alright. Now I'm going to make a copy of this because I will need it for the washer. Make a copy of this. Alright. So again I'm going to copy this down. Click on this, click on the circle command. So click on the copy command, click on the circle, and pick it from the center, move it down to a distance of 8 as well. And execute this command. Okay, so I'm going to chamfer the top of this hexagonal head. Before I do that, I'll have to change the position of the UCS to right. Okay, so click on this and change it to right. Okay, so I will now click on the rectangle command and draw a rectangle of 1.5 by 1.5. Okay, so I'm now going to split this into 2. Click on the line command, click here and here, enter, then use the trim command to trim up one part of this. Okay, now use the join command to join these lines. Alright, so again I'm going to make a copy of this. So highlight this and copy it down. Click on copy. Now so again rotate this from this point. Okay, so I will now move this. Click on the move command, move this and pick it from this point, then drop it at this very point. Also copy this, pick it from this point and drop it on the second hexagonal head. Okay, also move this now. Click on the move command, move this. Now this time pick it from here and drop it here. Okay, so I will now have to use the revolve command to revolve this triangles. So come over to the modeling panel, click on this arrow here and choose Revolve. Then click on this triangle, enter, and locate the center, is here. Pull it downwards and ensure that the auto mode is switched on. Enter, and enter 360 degrees. Okay, now come over here and do the same thing. Click on the Revolve command. Now click on these two triangles, this and this. Enter. Also locate the center of this circle. Pull downwards and enter 360 degrees as well. Okay. So I'm now going to switch to shade of gray. Come over here, review panel, click and choose shade of gray. Okay, so with the solid subtract command, I'm going to subtract these revolved triangles from the hexagonal bodies. So come over here, click on solid subtract, click on the hexagon first and remove this. Okay, that's done. Do the same thing for this. Now click on the solid subtract command, click on this, then also subtract this two, this and this. Okay. Again, I'm going to draw a circle at the top here, a circle of 8 diameter. So come over here to the draw panel, click on the circle command, and locate the center of the circle. And draw a circle of 8 diameter. Okay. Now I'll have to press pull this circle out. So come over to the modeling panel, click on the press pull command, and press this out. Okay. Okay, so I'll now switch the view to 3D wireframe. Okay, now again locate the center of this circle. Draw a line of 60, which is the length of the threaded portion of the bolt. So enter 60. Exit this command. Okay, so again, the outside diameter of the threaded portion is 12. So here I'm going to draw a circle again of diameter 12. So click on the circle command and draw a circle of 12 with here at the center. Enter 12. Okay. Okay, so I know how to use the helix to create a helix here. So come to the draw panel, click on this arrow and choose helix. Now click at the center of the helix, which is this, and click at the quadrant point of this circle as the base radius. Click again at the same spot as the top radius. Now right click and click on turns and enter 60 as the number of turns. So enter 60. Then pull it to a distance of 60, which is the length of the threaded portion. Okay. So that's the helix. Now again I'm going to create the thread profile. And to do that, I also have to use the polygon command to do that. So click on the polygon command and enter 3. That's going to be a triangle. Enter 3. And locate. Enter 3. Click at this spot. Click in striped circle and enter 1 at the size of that profile. Enter 1 and enter. Okay. Okay, so I'm now going to rotate this triangle by 180 degrees. Before I do that, I have to change the position of the UCS to front. So come up here, click on this and choose front. Okay, so I can now rotate this. So now highlight this, right click and choose rotate, and rotate from this point, rotate 180 degrees. Okay. So I'm now going to extrude this circle to a distance of 60, which is the length of the threaded portion. So click on extrude or press pull up to 60. Execute this command. So now with the extrude command, I will extrude this triangle along the path of this helix. So come to the modeling panel, click on this arrow, and choose extrude. Click on the triangle, enter, right click again and choose path, then click on the part of this helix. Okay. So I'm going to use the union command to join this, the bolt head and the threaded portion. Click on union command, click on the hexagonal heads of the bolts, and also on the extruded circle. Okay. So now I have to switch to shade of gray. So now click on the solid subtract command, click on this, then subtract this. Okay. So let's see how that looks like. So that's the bolt. Okay, so let's turn it around. Okay, so this is the bolt. So I will now have to create thread on the knot. So to do that, I'll have to make a copy of this. Click on this and make a copy of it. Copy. So I'm going to move this. Click on the move command. I'll move from this top center. Put it right here. Then move the bolt up. Click on the move command. Enter and move it up vertically to clear away from this. Okay. So again, I'm going to subtract the bolts from this knot. So click on the solid subtract command. Click on the knot first, then subtract the bolts. Okay, so that's the thread. The thread has not been formed. Okay, so I'll now have to move the knot and put it right here. Before then, just draw a line upwards and switch your coordinates to top and draw a vertical line from this point. Okay. Now move the knot now. Pick it from this top center. Drop it right here. Okay, so I can now move it down. I'll pin up this one now. Now move the knot down. Click on the move command. Click on this and push it down. This position should be alright. Put it anywhere there. Okay, so now I have to create the washer. So I'll come over to the draw panel again and click on the circle command. Now the outside diameter of this bolt is 10. So I'm going to draw. So I'll draw a circle of 10.5 to give some clearance. Okay, now draw another circle. That's the outside diameter of the washer. Make it 22. Start 22. Okay. Now I'm going to press pull this to a thickness of 1. So click on the press pull command, click in between the circles and pull it up to 1. Okay. Now move this washer, pick it from the center and drop it at this point. Now move it down again. Click on the move command, click on the washer and pull it down. That position should be alright. Okay. I can now clean out those circles. This. Erase. Okay. So click on the move command again. Click on this, this, and this. Then print out the construction lines. Okay, so here's the bolt nut and washer now completed. So let's view it on realistic view. Okay, so that's the bolt nut and the washer. So let me give it a darker background. So click on visualize. Click on this. Turn on the environment light. So that's the bolt and nut now completed.